Looking for a rich and indulgent gift to give this year to your family and friends? Look no further. Homemade beef tallow balm. Welcome back to Rouse Rising. On this channel, I share all about nourishing family traditions, and today we are going to nourish our skin with a beef tallow balm. This is going to be a simple homemade lotion type product that we can use on our skin as a barrier from the elements and to moisturize and soothe chapped skin. For this recipe, we are using 1 cup melted beef tallow with 1/4 cup of olive oil, and I'm going to use a couple tablespoons of vitamin E oil, as well as we are going to add some shea butter. All of these ingredients are incredibly nourishing to your skin and moisturizing. Your skin absorbs these ingredients, so make sure that you are using quality products. You want to make sure that you're sourcing organic when you can, so that they aren't treated with any kind of pesticides or any kind of things that would irritate your skin or your body. Your skin is one of your largest organs, so you definitely want to make sure that you are taking care when it comes to what you are putting on your skin. And because beef tallow is, well, beef tallow, I am going to be adding some lavender essential oil to this batch. It's about 10 drops of essential oils or more to your batch of beef tallow balm. And then we are going to start blending this up. And I noticed that it is still too warm for this to turn into a creamy substance. So I'm going to do the double cooler method here in just a moment. It is a backwards double boiler method. It's just where you take your warm jar and ingredients and you place it inside a cool bath of water. Then continuing to blend with the immersion blender. This is going to allow it to circulate around the jar that is cooling, and it's going to turn it into your beautiful, thick and creamy balm, that the texture that you are looking for. You may need to add some more olive oil to this. You may need to add some more beef tallow to this. So just go by the texture and the feel of it, and keep in mind once it cools completely, it is going to firm up a bit. So just keep watching it, keep mixing it, and by the end you'll get to a final product and texture and consistency that you enjoy. The way that these ingredients are, I prefer this texture that it produces, and I prefer the thickness that this produces because it encourages me to rub the beef balm, the tallow balm, between my hands vigorously, and that just gives my hands a good massage. And it really warms it up in between my hands so that I can massage the rest of my face, neck, and body with this. It is a lovely product that you can keep. Our house is fairly cool. Our house is about 66 to 68 degrees in the wintertime, so I just leave this out on the counter. If you plan to keep it for long term, you could store it in the freezer, but I keep it at room temperature. And then, like I said, I rub it vigorously between my hands to warm it up and distribute it. It is absolutely lovely. It's my favorite stuff to use, and it's really nourished my hands. This year so far, I have not experienced any eczema issues on my hands like I have in years past. I am using this beef tallow balm every single day on my hands. I'm rubbing it in the morning and throughout the day if needed, once or twice, but usually in the mornings and in the evenings I am using this tallow balm, and it's really protected my hands throughout the day while I'm washing dishes and doing household tasks. Typically, I would have cracking and bleeding hands by now, but this is so nourishing. My skin just eats it up. It is so good for us. So skip the store balms this season. Make your family and friends some tallow balm. It is so simple. It is so beautiful and wonderful and nourishing to your skin, and it has minimal ingredients. I hope you all enjoyed this little beef tallow balm make with me today, and I hope it encourages you to get in your kitchen and make something wonderful for yourself, and give yourself a little bit of self-care. Give yourself a little hand massage with some lotion, a little face massage, and think about the people in your life that could really benefit from a product like this and who would really appreciate a product like this. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. I will see you guys soon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of beef tallow balm or any other kind. You can use lard, whatever you've got, you know, give it a go. And I will leave the recipe down below in this video's description, as well as links for all of the ingredients that you can buy online and have sent straight to your door to make this just as easy for you to do at home. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, you guys. Bye.